Hello everyone, this is Lamin Sane of LSWAT, and in this video let's take a look at arithmetic operations. Okay, so arithmetic operations are stuff you can use to manipulate value types. Okay, so for example, we had a look at strings, which is one value type. There's something also called numbers. So we're going to use arithmetic operators to operate on either a string or a number, and I call them arithmetic and I also say string, but I'll show you what I mean in a moment. So you can use them to add numbers together or take a string and join it to another number, which will create you another string. So let's say let's comment all of this out. Let's remove all this from the last video. So let's say that you had a variable, let's say var number 1 equal to 4. Okay, so let's say you had another variable var number 2 equals to 3. Okay, so basically if you wanted to multiply these two, you'd have to do something like number 1 and then times number 2. Okay, so you can either output that directly or you can store it in another variable. So what I'm going to do is say var product equals to number 1 times number 2, and I'll do console.log. Okay, so I'll just change this product actually to answer so that we can reuse it across many arithmetic operations. So console.log answer, and go to the browser, and what that will do is it will print for me 12 here. So in addition to the multiplication operator, there's another operator called plus, which you can use to add two numbers, and so we can do number 1 plus number 2, and that will give us 7. So when I come here refresh, as you can see now we're logging out 7, and then there's a -1 as well. We can say number 1 minus 2, you can refresh, and that would give you 1. Okay, so there's also division as well. So 4 divided by 3, and let's refresh that as well. So you can see 1.3333, and so there's arithmetic operators that there's one that looks like, you can, for example, if you wanted to do answer equals to answer plus, let's say 4. Okay, so this is how you normally write it, but there's a shorthand for doing that. So in this case, let's say let's say answer equal to number 1 plus number 2. Okay, so that should be 7, but we want to say answer equals to answer plus itself like this. So the shorthand, as I said, is you can do answer plus equal to, and then you can put answer there like this. So it's gonna be answer equals to answer plus answer. Okay, so if you wanted to put another number, let's say 4, it means that answer equals to answer plus 4. Okay, but you don't want to do that, so let's remove it. So let's put answer right here, and what that will give us is going to double the value of answer, so that will give us 14. So when I refresh, we have 14, and there's also the -1 as well. We can say answer minus equal to, so we're going to take answer and minus it from itself. So I'll come to the browser, that should give us 0. When I refresh, we have 0 here, and there's also one for division. So answer divided by equals to answer. When I refresh, that should give us 1, because answer divided by itself is 1. Or there's a multiplication as well, and that should give us 7 times 7, that's 49. So as you can see, that's what we have in the console here. And there's another one, which if you want to increase a value by 1, you can say answer plus plus, and what that would do is it's going to do answer equals to answer plus 1. Okay, so that's what the above here is going to do. So I'll just comment this out. So answer is supposed to be 7, but if we do answer plus plus, that will be 8. When I come here, refresh, as you can see, answer is 8 now. And there's a opposite one for this, which is minus minus, and that should reduce answer by 1. And answer has to be 7, and now we reduce it by 1, it should be 6. When I refresh, as you can see, now we have 6. Okay, and there's one called modulus, and basically we can say answer equals to answer mod, and the sign is this percentage sign here. So we say mod 2, and basically what that does is it takes answer and divides it by 2 and gives us the remainder. Okay, so if answer is 7 and you divide 7 by 2, that is 3, so the remainder is 1, and so answer here should be 1. Okay, so I come back to the browser here and I refresh, and we have 1. Let's change answer to be something like just change the mod to be 4, Now dividing 7 by 4 should give 1, and the answer and the remainder is 3. So now answer should be 3 in the console here. Okay, so I did say there's arithmetic operators, but right now we've been dealing just with numbers. So you can use the plus to append a number to a string. So we can say answer. Let's just comment this out. So answer is 7. So we can say answer equals to answer plus, and then we can give a string. So we say you can put a string in the front or the back, it really doesn't matter. So we can say answer equals to. Okay, so I'll come here and it should give us answer equals to, and then append the value here. So it's answer equals 7. Okay, as you can see, answer equals 7. So so that's how you use arithmetic operators. They're really not meant for just numbers, they're also meant for strings if you want to append them. Okay, but the plus is the one you can use on strings. If you try to do any other thing like division, you'll get some errors and stuff like that. Okay, so yeah, so thank you for watching. I'll see you soon in the next video. Cheers, bye bye.